Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Today I have got a ZARA unboxing haul. Okay, it's more of a haul than an unboxing. At the moment anyway, I've only got one part of my orders so far. And I'm going to get into the details of that. So basically I ordered two things on ZARA on Boxing Day, so the 26th of December. And today, as I'm filming this part of the video, I've received one of the things, and it's the 13th of January, which is quite a long time. Granted, I didn't pay for like next day delivery or anything like that, so I don't know if I have my rights to complain. And I got them delivered, well, I ordered them to be delivered at one of those in-post boxes. They're like the Amazon lockers, but like for the post kind of thing, because you never know when you're going to be in. I do order stuff to my mum and dad sometimes. There's something else I've ordered to my mum and dad's. UPS tried to deliver twice, even though it wasn't the day that they were saying they were going to deliver. And I've now got to pick it up from somewhere else. So at this point in time, I'm like, do I even order anything online anymore? Because I'm just that annoyed at it. But yeah, so I ordered two things on Boxing Day from the ZARA sale. For one of the items that I really wanted has come today. Not today, it came yesterday, which was the 12th of January, and I'm disappointed. And the weirdest thing is, the first time it said, oh, we're going to split your order into two orders, and the other thing I've ordered was meant to be coming sooner. It said, because originally when I'm all over the place, but originally my order said it would be coming between the 31st and the 10th, or 31st and the 8th of January, my whole order. And as it stands, the 13th of January, I've still not got one of the things I ordered, and this one came on the 12th. I know, but I've got the box here. It's got details on, so I'm not going to show you the other side. So this box has got the thing that I actually did the order for, because I saw these ages ago. I think I saw them on Black Friday, and I nearly bought them on Black Friday because they were at a reduced price that day, but I decided against it. And I was like in my head, if they go in the sale after Christmas, I'm going to get those because I want a new pair of boots. Brown boots, because the brown boots I've got at the moment are just from Primark. I've only had them like 2 and a bit years probably, but I used to wear them to work like literally every time I went to work basically, and they're completely like the stuff coming off them now basically. So I thought, shall I invest in a pair of actual leather brown boots? Chelsea boots is my preferred style of brown boots, and basically I've already looked at these. They come in a dust bag that has got, there, can you see ZARA written on it? It's a massive dust bag. I swear, when I've ordered shoes before, because I've got 3 pairs of ZARA trainers, which I love, they've come in like separate dust bags. I don't know. That might be one of the reasons for what's happened to these, because I am not, when I opened these, I was like, and I could see it. I could see the marks. Basically, I'm not happy with these and I'm returning them. I'm going to go to the store. So these are the boots I got. If you watch if you watch Steph, I'll leave his channel down below. He ordered these and also returned them because they were a bit chunky on him. But I've only tried one of them on because I saw the marks on these and I was like, no thank you. These are going back. Oh, there, look, you can see that's come already scuffed. It's like, what the hell? And seeing them in person, I don't know, they're really nice. They're softer than I thought they'd be, which is a good thing. This bit is quite tight actually on my leg. But the biggest issue for me is these marks already. Like, I literally took them out of the bag and they had the marks on already. That's on that shoe, which is the right one. And then there is some marks probably on here. Yeah, there is. Oh, there's a big scuff like here, and you can't like rub it off. That is there. That's there for the duration. That's there for good now. There's a mark there. yeah, I wasn't happy because I was really looking forward to getting these, and I was like, they're going to be so nice. They're not actually, they are a good amount of chunk, which is fine. I love a Chelsea boot. Steph said they were really comfortable when he's got them, so I was like looking forward to them, but they're just, and I've just noticed like another hairline scratch on here, and if they're that delicate, like, I don't think they'll be lasting this test of time. The actual label on here says they were $49.99, but I'm pretty sure in the sale I got them for $59.99. So maybe they went down again. They were originally $79.99. So I am going to go to Zara at the weekend and return them in person because I'm not sending them back in the post. I'm going to the store and saying, give me my money back, thank you. But yeah, that is this part of the order. We shall see what day my next part of the order comes. I've ordered one other thing and I'm still waiting for it, even though it said that item had shipped first, and that was like last week. So we're talking like the 8th, and it said like and then I got a revised email saying your order will now be delivered between the 8th and the 10th. No, I remember the order was shipped on the 4th for that thing I bought, which hopefully I'll be able to show you next. And it's because my original order was all meant to come on the 7th. It then said a revised date between the 8th and the 10th. It's now the 13th. That is nowhere to be seen. And I've clicked on the track thing on the Zara website, and it says that bit is still in process. It says this bit has been delivered, and it still says estimated delivery date the 10th of January. So I don't know what's happening with that. I've clicked on like a tracking link. It goes to TNT, which then it says put in your order thing, and I put in the number in the 2 bits, and it doesn't come up anything. I've tried to go on in post, can't track on there, I don't think, or I have and I haven't got the right number. It's just like a whole thing now. So we'll see in the next bit if I actually get the order. So I have returned the item that I've just shown you in the previous clips, which were my Chelsea boots. I went to Wickham. If you've seen my Come Shop With Me at H&M and M&S, that is the reason why I was in Wickham, because they've got a Zara there, and I returned my boots. It was a Sunday. I had to go, the store opened at 10:30 for browsing, but didn't open to, like, you know, normal Sunday trading stuff. You couldn't do anything till 11 o'clock. So I waited in the queue. The queue was like 3 people deep and people returning stuff. Which was fine. Lady in front had quite a bit to return, but it just went through fine, quick. I put my shoes on the counter and said, can I return these please, for a refund, and she said, yeah, fine. Is there anything wrong with them? Mentioned the scuffs on the things, and she said that's fine, all done. I did not have to every time I've returned stuff that I bought online before to a retailer, I normally had to put my credit or debit card in. I didn't have to this time. And I thought, okay. So that's great. And she said, you'll get a confirmation. So when I got out of the store, I had a confirmation on my phone, email, saying, we've received your return. And then like 5-10 minutes later, I got one saying, your return has been accepted. So that is great. I've got £59.99 back from my boots that were scuffed, and I'm not bothering looking for a new, well, I looked around that Wickham store and they didn't have those boots anyway, so they're gone, no longer, they were not meant to be. I wish I could say, here's my box, but it's not. Unfortunately, what I ordered was lost in transit. Yay! It's no big deal, it's fine, I can live without the thing that I ordered. So basically, so the item I ordered, I'm going to put a picture here. It's like a grey rugby shirt, like polo shirt, but a rugby shirt because it's got the different kind of collar. It was £17.99 in the sale. That is what it looked like. And I ordered it on the 26th of December, so I ordered it on Boxing Day. It was dispatched on the 4th of January. Today is the 19th of January, and it's lost in transit. I re-downloaded Twitter because I had deleted Twitter because I couldn't remember my password. but I've now reinstalled it because I tried to go on yesterday, which would have been the 18th of January, tried to go on the Zara website and use the chat feature. And their chat feature, it seems, or especially, well, it was at the time I did it like 8 o'clock in the evening, which might not have been the best time to do it. It said when you started chatting, it was like virtual assistant, Zara virtual assistant. So it was like an AI automated thing rather than an actual person at the other end. First off, it didn't understand my question, and then it said like click one of these options. I clicked it, and then it just gave me a generic answer. So what I did, I went on the contact page, and I saw there was like a phone number. I'm not going to phone them, or there was no email address, or it was Twitter and another thing. I'm not sure if it was Facebook or Instagram or something, but it's Twitter. So I re-downloaded Twitter, and I sent them a DM on Tuesday the 18th of January evening, probably about 8-9 o'clock, saying my item has been dispatched on the 4th. Well, I ordered 2 things in the same order. One I've received and was dispatched on this date. The other one was ordered at the same time, dispatched on the 4th. But it's nowhere. I have not received a confirmation to go pick it up yet. Can I have an update? I said, can I have an update, or can you give me the details of the courier so then I can track it or whatever? Because I've got it ordered to a pickup point rather than my home address, like the in-post pickup point. I got it ordered to there because there's one at my Tesco's that I go to, so I thought convenient. So I sent them that, and then in like DMs, and then the next day, as in today, which is the 19th of January, I had an email back to say, can you just please confirm your email address, which I did. And then they said, sorry to let you know, your order has been lost in transit, and due to stock availability, we will give you a refund. I did not have to I didn't even ask for a refund. I just wanted an order update. They just gave it like that. That was really good. And then I got an email confirmation saying your return has been accepted or something like that, which is great. That is amazing. So I'm quite happy with the customer services that I received on Twitter. I haven't checked my bank account yet. It's probably going to take a few days to go through this return of the $17.99 for the polo shirt, rugby shirt, and also the $59.99 return for the boots that I mentioned previously in the video, which such a fail of a ZARA haul. And normally what have I done? I think I've done 2 orders in the past of ZARA online, and they've been really good, really quick, really efficient getting to me. They've come quicker than they've said, but I don't know whether because it's the time of year. I ordered it on Boxing Day, had Christmas, had New Year. Things are just not as quick as they are because of that time, and maybe Brexit, who knows, which has meant my parcel has been lost. And there's been delays in the stuff getting to me, which in the grand scheme of things, it's not the end of the world. I have got my refunds. Well, I don't know if I've actually got them in my bank account yet, but they have told me I'm getting refunds, which is absolutely fine. I think I paid $1.99 for shipping, so £2 is gone. But in terms of customer service and everything, I'm quite happy with that, apart from the chat thing. But DMing on, I'm really an advocate of DMing on Twitter and Facebook because you just get responses so much quicker, and you can see like everything like that, and it's not in an email trail and things. I'm just such a big advocate of doing that because I've messaged quite a few companies that way. When I've had problems like with my water and stuff like that, like my water company, I've messaged like that, and then you can see it all in the history. On Facebook I did that. So yeah, unfortunately not to be for the ZARA haul today. I will still, of course, shop in ZARA, and what I might do is do an ASOS haul because there's some boots I've seen on ASOS. I don't know, and use that money for something else, or just not spend it. That's probably the best decision, isn't it? And look for boots somewhere else. But there we go. That is fine. A bit of a downer, but it's not the end of the world. They processed my concerns quickly. It's just a shame they didn't tell. It's a shame they didn't tell me it been lost in transit. I had to ask, but I guess they wouldn't really know. But they must know because they looked into it fairly quickly and saw it was lost in transit. But I never got an email to say that. That's one thing that I would take away from that. They could have told me that, but they told me quick enough and gave me a refund quick enough when I asked. So there we go. So yeah, unfortunately, not anything really to show you on this part of the haul, unfortunately, and that kind of went down south real fast, but hopefully my next haul that I do will be more successful than that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you had what other experience you've had, or if you've had any experience like that with Zara or any other retailer where your package has been lost. I've never had that happen to me before, I don't think, off the top of my head, but it happened to me today. So let me know if you've experienced anything like that down below. Subscribe if you're not already, ring my bell for lots more actual hauls, rather than just showing you stuff and then I had to return it because of all the scuffs and actually not getting my item. It's like a story time, isn't it? Let me know, well, ring my bell to get notified of those, follow my Instagrams down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.